Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find working coupon codes for Target. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to tell you the name of a bunch of websites that provide the working coupon codes. So the first one we have is Honey. Now Honey is actually a verified one and I would say it is the best one for coupon codes for any available website. So you should definitely check out Honey. The second one is WashingtonPost.com. So you can just head over to Google and search for Washington Post coupons Target and the website will come up. The next one we have is Groupon. This is also a very trusted one. And then we also have coupons.com. I'm sorry, it can't load for my IP for now. And the next one is latimes.com/coupon dash codes slash targets. So LA Times also provide the coupon codes. Next we have Wired. Now Wired is also a verified site, so you can check this one out. Next we have Retail Me Not, so you need to verify yourself and everything. And then we have Washington Post one more time. And the last one is time.com/coupons/target. So this is the Time Magazine's website and you can check this out. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.